Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to talk to you about sometimes you might hear a doctor say you're at MMI, which stands for Maximum Medical Improvement. Now, many times a doctor will say that to you, you're at MMI, and you're like, no, I'm not. I don't feel any better than I did 6 months ago, or I've had surgery, and while my back might feel better, or my arm might feel better, I now have numbness and tingling in my hand, or I have pain going down my leg. But that particular doctor has said, as far as he or she is concerned, you're at MMI, meaning maximum medical improvement. As far as that doctor is concerned, you're the best you're going to be. Now, in some cases, that is the situation, and it's unfortunate that people always do not get back to the way they were physically or mentally before they were injured. However, in some cases, we find that doctors might be too quick to say that you're at MMI because they don't want you to continue to treat, because the insurance company may not want them to continue to bill for continuing treatment. And so some doctors might say, well, that's about all I can do for you. Thank you for coming, and goodbye. And they might at that point give you a permanent partial disability rating and say you're at MMI. We tend to look at that very, very critically, and we determine from what you're telling us about how you're feeling, along with the medical records and what treatment you've had thus far, or what treatment we might think that you perhaps could get from another doctor, and say, well, maybe we could get you someplace else to see if another doctor might think that you're not at MMI. You are needing more care. You are not as good as you might be, and perhaps there's some other treatment that you can get, whether it's another surgery, whether it's other medication, whether it's injections, whether it's more physical therapy, or other things that the doctor might order for you. So we look at that, as I said, very carefully. We may talk to you about getting a second opinion about that or changing your doctor. So if a doctor says that you're at MMI and you do not feel that you are, please give us a call. We're more than happy to discuss that with you and explain other options that might be there for you in terms of treatment and doctors to see. You can reach me directly at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.